Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is a paper we have October 19. You can see variant 42 and question number 5. The x is not equal to 0, so it means this blackish line, this area means this graph will meet, this graph will join, but you will not join these 2 points. I repeat my words. You join these 2 points, all join each other, but we can't join these 2 points. Logically very clear, because he said that x is equal to 0 is not acceptable. Because when you put 0 in the place of x, okay, you get a math error. Math error means undefined, no answer. So first of all, let's see, against -1, I got answer. -1 replace here. Some student, okay, best idea when you replace it. So -1 to power 2 by 2 plus 1 over -1 to power. Bracket is very, very compulsory. So first I'm getting half, second I'm getting +1, second I'm getting, then I get a +2, and I'm getting 7 by 3.5. Similarly, when I replace it, replace 0.2 in every place, what happens then? So let me check. 0.2 square divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 0.2 square and -2 divided by 0.2. Okay, the answer I'm getting is 15.02. 02, you can write even point because rounding, so 0.0 also acceptable. So now replace this 3 in every x. So what answer turns to be? So let's see. So 3 square 9 divided by 2 and plus 1 divided by 3 square 9 and -2 divided by 3. And let me check. Yeah, I'm getting 3.944. So this is okay. Now values are very, very clear to us. Now I'm going to plot it. Get ready. Okay. How to do this one? First value x. Okay, first scale. Don't try without starting scale. Scale is how to find scale 1. Formula we have value by number of boxes. Value is 1, so I'm writing 1. Boxes are 10, so I'm writing 10. So answer is B 0.1. So 1 box 0.1. Here value is 1, 1. But boxes are count 5. How come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So 5, so 0.2 and 0 points. So 1 box is 0.2 and half box is actually 0.1. Actually, we're looking for 0.1 specially. That is why I want to see, okay, where is 0.1? And -3 and 5.3. -3 and 5.3. -3 is here. It means a line goes here. And 5.3 is where? Let me check 5.3. Yeah, 5.3. So 5.3 is where? So you know it, one small box I mentioned below. One small box is a 0.2, half box 0.1. So let's see, 5.3. Where's the 5.3? This is a 5.2, 5.4. So this is a 5.2 and this is a 5. So this is a 5.3 comes here. So it means I go from here and here. So this point, it means I get here. So rest lines, I just erase it. I think point is very clear. So each point we have to plot very carefully, very carefully. Next point we have what? X is -2, 3.3, -2 and 3.3. -2 is here, so a line go from here like this. And 3.3 where? These are 3.2, 3.4. So in the middle here, 3.3. So this is the point I get. So I believe this is very, very clear. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Let's go for the next point. Okay. Next point is x is -1 and 3.5. -1 and 3.5. -1 and 3.5. 3.5 in the middle of 3 and 4. So it means this. And -1 here. It means this is the point. -1, 3.5, 1, 2, 2.5. So I think this point is also very, very clear. Let's talk about next one, negative 0.5 and 8.1. 8.1, negative 0.5 is where? Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mark, okay, because a lot of chance of mistake. And what other point he's asking for? 8.1. So 8.1. Where's 8.1? 8.1 in the line of that. 8.1 actually is here 8.2, but half box. So it means I meet and 5 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a point which I looking for. I was looking for. So this is Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Clear. One more point is left. Negative 0.3 and 17.8. Negative 0.3. Negative 0.3 because one box is 0.1. Negative 0. So 0.3 is where? 1, 2, 3. This is a negative 0.3. And the Y value is very clear, is 17.8. 17.8, 17.8, 17. 17.2468, 17.8 is this one, but 0.123. So this is a point. What is my opinion? If we go down, it is a negative 0.3. So I think point is all clear. Now I'm going to sketch it. I'm going to draw, sorry. So first of all, you see it is a banding. Wait a minute, sorry for just a minute. Question number 4, we are trying. Yeah, here. So it means it is correct. Now I'm going to I think this part is not that much correct. You see, it's more bended, and I think now it is a better than before now. And join that's almost straight because it is almost straight because slightly coming. Don't use scale. So I think point is very clear. Let's start the other one. Other index is 0.2 and 5, 15.0, 0.2 and 15. So 0.1, 0.2. So 2 boxes here. And 15. 15 is where? 15. So it means this point. So 0.2, 15, 0.3 and 4.5. 0.3 and 0.3 is where? Is 1, 2, 0.3 is here. And 4.5. 4.5 is here. 2, 4. This one half. This is a 4.24 and this one half. And 0.3. So 1, 2, 3. At this point, I think you got the idea. Now let's go for the next. Next is a 0.5 and 0.1. 0.5 and 0.1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.5 here and 0. And wait a minute. 0.5 is naturally here. 0.5 and 0.1. 0.1, 0.1. 0.1 is where? Because one box 0.2. So it means it is here. And 0.5 is here. So they meet at this point. Okay, this is a very clear. Let's talk about the next part. Next part is x is 1, y is negative 0.5. 1 and negative 0.5. X is 1, this is 1, and negative 0.5, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 in the middle here. So it means this point. Now let's go for the next. 2 and 1.3. X is 2, y 1.3. 1.3 is this the, wait a minute. Yeah, it is becoming positive now. It turning back. Okay. 2 and 1.3. 2 and 1.3. 1.3. This is a 1, 1.2, and 1.4. So in the middle here. So I believe this point is also clear. Okay, and then I'll go for 2 1.3, I think clear. Let me recheck. Yeah, 2 1. Now last one. 3 and 1 and 3 and 3.94. 3 and 3.94. 3x is 3, 3.94. 3 is here, you can see clearly, and 3.94 is where? 3.94. 3.94, if you round, it is 3.9 because not a bigger than 4 add, otherwise not add. So 3.9 is where? 3.9 is a half one box, half box below. So it means this point. Why? Because from here 3 and is a one box down is 0.9. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now I'm going to sketch it, draw it, sorry. And let me check against 2, 1.3. And okay. And I'm going to draw. So this is little awkward kind of graph. I believe is okay. And join with this because too far. So I think if I use scale, normally I never use scale, but even use scale for the too far points, no problem at all. I hope so. Otherwise, normally we avoid scale. Okay. So I hope so. The point is very, very clear and we have done it. And okay, now let's talk about the question below it. If you look at carefully, but every time look at this question, I'm going to copy below. Okay, because x squared by 2 and plus 1 x squared minus 2 by x. So it means I'm writing it now here. Because rest all parts, I have to use this equation. Okay, let's start. Use your graph to solve this inequality. So is this fully matches? Yes, it matches. So this is full equals to y. So I'm going to write y. Y is less than equals to. And we have to write answer in x form. Where is y is less than 0? So y is 0. First of all, you must know y is 0 where? Y is 0 on x-axis. So on x-axis, look at here, this is x-axis. You can see clearly. So on x-axis, we have to look where is a y value is smaller than 0. Smaller, common sense, is below the x-axis, smaller, above is called bigger. So we have to see below. So I have to stay below. It means, look, I show you from here, I start and move along the curve, and from here start, move along the curve. This is he's asking about. So starting from here, so this point is my concern. And starting from here, this point is concerned. So I have to look especially 2 points where the intersecting x-axis. So one point is this, and one point is this. And what is this? This is a 0.5, naturally 0.5. And what is in 1.1, 1.2, 4, wait a minute, 1.4. So it means in the middle of these two x values, if I move along the along x-axis, so the curve will go and under x-axis. So this means my answers are 0.5 and 1.4. So 0.5 and 1.4. 0.5 and 1.4. I hope so. The point is very clear. Okay. Next part is asking, find the smallest possible integer. Integer means always a whole number, for which this is k has two solutions. Okay. First of all, I want to explain what is called solutions. But before I start, is x squared by match? Yes, matches. It matches. No, sorry, wait a minute. Oh, I did mistake. It should be square. Yes. Now correct. And now see, it matches, yes, it matches, yes, it matches, yes. So these full three terms matches, they match. Okay, then y equal to k. And I discussed many times, I repeat again, that whenever only y involved and some number here, line is parallel to x-axis. I'm going to show you here. If y equal to 0 here, and then here x is equal to 0. If only y involved, for example, y, this is a 1, so this is called y equal to 1. If this is a -2, so this is called y is equal to -2. So only y involves, so it means a line parallel to x-axis. And if only x involved, then line parallel to y-axis. So one thing is very clear, we have to find the number as integer, which give us two solutions. So look, I have example here. This is suppose of one example. If I draw y, for example, if I make a line through 5, goes through 5 like this. Look at here, I'm going to show you. If line goes through 5, have a look. This is called y is equal to 5. How to pronounce? This is called y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. It cut the curve one spot, second and third. So it has three solutions. Okay, if line go through, and this is a 6 and this is a 6.5, but whole number is not acceptable here. If the line, so line touch and cut, here touch. So it is called two solutions. And above, if line go through 10, so y equal to 10, it means k value is 10. K value is 10. If k value, because y equal to k, if k value is 10, so it has one solution. It's a very clear cutting at one time. So one solution. So I believe you understood. And if I make a line through, for example, 1, and k is equal to 1 for it and y equal to 1, it cut 1 time 2 and 3, so 3 solution. So this is the same question he is asking for, read a statement. So give me that which give us two solution, which means line cut must be cut 2 times, and smaller positive integers. Smaller positive means not negative sign, and smallest. Okay, so it means, look at here, integer. So positive integer, this is called negative integers, this is called right positive integers. 100% these are negative, these are positive integers. So we give you two solutions. So common sense here, if my line goes through this point, it will touch, it means one solution. Okay, but as it go up, like this is a what is number this one, because one box 0.2, so 0.2, 0.4. Okay, so but he asked integer, so through -1 it has no solution. Why? It is not cutting the curve. Okay, and through zero it is cutting two spots, but he asking positive. Zero is not positive considered. So then when it goes to 1, so it means with line, because 1 is a positive integer, so if y line go through 1, it has two solution. Why? It cutting the curve two spots. Okay, and similarly, if the line goes through 2, it is also two solutions. Okay, done. If no, three solution, 4 through two solution. But he said, no, give me smallest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, many numbers are there. The smallest number is 1. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, he was asking that what's the k value? So if a k value, if y is equal to 1, so it means k value is 1. If 1 comes here, so line equation become y equal to 1, and y equal to 1 means passes through 1, and it will give us two solutions. It is for sure. You can see from here. So I think this point is also clear. Let's talk about the next one. So how to deal with this kind of question? So is this x squared by 2 matches? Yes. Is this matches? Yes. Is this matches? Yes. Full equals to y. So I'm writing here y equal to 3x plus 1. Sometime he demand from us, right, find equation of line. This is question of line and stop here. But he said no, by drawing suitable straight line. I got it. I have to draw first. And then I have to solve. When the word solve come, it means find x values. So it means I will make a table of two numbers. And I said before, whenever we have new tables, numbers, so on the graph paper, from 3 to -3, take any two numbers. So ideal is 0 and 1, but don't take close. 0 and 2 is best option, or 0, 3, or 0, -2, or 0, -3. But I take 0 and 2. X is 0, X is 2. When I plug in 0 in the place of this x, 0 into 3 becomes 0. So I got a 0 plus 1 become 1. So 1. When I plug in 2 here in the place of x, so 2 into 3 becomes 6, and 6 plus 1 becomes 7. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So first point is x0, y1. So x0, y1. Where is x0, y1? Is here. Because x is 0, y0. Here x is 0, y1. So it means this is a point I'm pointing out. Second one, x is 2, y7. X is 2, y7. X is 2 here, and y is 7 here. So let's see where they meet each other. X is 2, y7. So I think so to go from here, and it goes here. So this point, let me make it again. and I erase the lines. I hope so. You understood well. Now I'm going to make a line, these both, okay. I'm take a scale, and I think because, okay. Now getting here red color line. I'm going to make it. This is line, but this line is intersecting only one spot, okay. And I put arrows on both sides, and you can write line even. Y is equals to, wait a minute, 3x. Yeah, 3x plus 1. So I'm writing here y is equal to 3x plus 1. They intersecting the blue curve at this point. You can see. Go down and check the answer. This is our answer. And you know one box is, so 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, 0.3 is my answer. Last part, it has no connectivity with the graph. He said convert this expression into this expression. So total algebra. So total algebra, how to deal this kind of algebra. So what is LCM of left hand side? So I'm writing 2x square and x. What is, can I take common from all three terms? No. And common from two terms? Yes. And x common is x from two terms. 2 copy out of 2x is 1 gone, 1 left. This x already gone, so 1 left. So what is, can I further take 2 common from all three terms? No. From two terms? No. Then what is LCM? LCM is multiply 1 and 2 and 3. So it means x times 2 times 2, x times 2, 1. So become 2x to power 2. So this is my LCM. How to do with this kind of question? So make a line, 2x to power 2, right hand side nothing. So think about it, how to convert this two. Like I want to convert this two into this form. What is missing? 2 is present, yes. What is not present? X square is not present. So up and down multiply with x square. X square into x square, I get x to power 4. Okay, what is missing here? I am missing is 2. So into 2 up, into 2 down. So 2 ones are 2, I'm getting here 2. So what is missing here? 2x. So multiply up and down 2x and down 2x. I got 2 to the 4x, so minus 4x. I think LCM part is over. You got it. And this is going to multiply right hand side. X to power 4 plus 2 minus 4x and 2x square into 3. So 3 2s are 6. X square into x become x to power 3. And 2 into this one, 1. So same answer comes. Now rearrange. First x to power 4, I'm copying, bring 6x cube in order, cube. Then 2x square come this end, negative 2x to power 2. Then I'm writing negative 4x. Then I'm writing plus 2. So I done all order. And now see, plus 2 equal to 0, they matches. So they match. X power 4 match. So x to power 3 is 6 coefficient and here a. So I can say a is equals to 6. And x square is negative 2, here b. So b is equals to negative 2. Okay, x coefficient is minus 4, here's c. So c is equal to negative 4. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, we have done the whole question. And I hope so the concept is very, very clear.